Kittl has just moved its mockup feature to the left menu bar, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to use it effectively to generate multiple mockups at once. On the top of that, I'm going to share a powerful AI prompt that creates a stunning ice cube effect wrapped around your product, perfect for eye-catching marketing visuals and high-impact social media posts. So let's jump in. Once you're inside your Kittl's dashboard, scroll to the left menu, find the mockup icon and press on it, and you can see all the mockups available on Kittl's platform. They have many mockups that you can choose from in various areas, whether apparel, stationery items, and many more. So just make sure to select your artboard with the design and press on any mockup that you like, and this will add the mockup as a new board with your design on it. You can simply stretch your design, adjust it to fit the mockup. So here I'm stretching it to fit my t-shirt, and you can simply select the main artboard again and press on any other new mockup, and this will add the new mockup to a new board. So now we have these two mockups with the design as new boards connected to our main t-shirt board. So I'm going to select the main design board again and select a new mockup. So this time I'm going to select a mug. So let's search for mug in the mockups search bar, and let's choose this one here. Once I press on it, it will be added automatically to the board, similar to the previous ones. So now I have my design added to 3 mockups on the board. So if you do any changes to your main design on the main board, like changing the color, for example, so let's change one of the colors, this one here. So changing the color will do the same effect on all the artboard or all the other mockup artboards. So the color will be changed instantly on all the 3 artboards. So let's change the orange color, and as you can see, the color is also changed on all the 3 mockups. So this is a very effective way to generate multiple mockups and do the change instantly. And of course, you can download all the mockups at once. You can have as many mockups added to your design as you want. Now let's go back and add a new mockup to the design. I'm going to show you my prompt to create this ice cube effect. So the best way to do this is to have your design added to the mockup first. So let's choose this t-shirt here. I'm going to add it and add the design on it. Just make sure to adjust the design to fit all the mockup placement area the way you want it. So the way I prefer it is to download the mockup first, the mockup image, the design with the t-shirt. So just select the mockup board and download it. And then from the uploads button, just upload the downloaded image once again. You can also add it to the prompt box by pressing on the upload button and select it from your PC. Once you see the image uploaded to your uploads folder, press on it to be added to the board and add this prompt that you can see on the screen. It's a very long prompt. I'm going to leave it in the description. It mainly describes the scene that we want, a large crystal clear ice cube standing. Make sure to change the product to describe exactly what you have in the picture. So just mention a t-shirt or a hoodie. You don't have to describe the design on your product, just the t-shirt or the hoodie or the product itself. And of course, we are now on the remix image, so make sure to select the remix image from your prompt box and make sure that you can see the image added to the prompt box while writing the prompt. Now adjust the prompt according to the product you have, and then you can choose the AI model from below. I'm going to test the prompt using a couple of models and press on the generate button. So I'm going to use the Flux 2 Pro HD model to run this prompt, and I have selected 4 images for my results. Let's generate another 4 images for the Flux 2 Pro HD, and for the third generation I'm going to choose the Nano Banana Pro and press on the generate button for another to generate another 4 images. And here you can see the prompt works perfect for the Flux 2 HD model, and the Nano Banana Pro as well, but I think all the results for the Flux model is much better using this prompt. Of course, you can try working with it and changing the model you want, but the prompt creates very realistic ice cube effect around the product that you can definitely use for marketing and social media. So let's test the same product here. I have added the design on a hoodie, and I'm going to download the mockup image and upload it again to the prompt box using the upload button. And once the image is uploaded, add your prompt to the prompt box. Make sure to change the model and the product description to a hoodie or whatever you have, and press on the generate button. And again, I'm using a couple of different models to generate this prompt, and here are the results. Let's play with the prompt a little bit. I'm going to change the background to a desert landscape instead of snowy mountains, and press on generate, and here are the new results. Very cool effect of the ice cube in the desert. So feel free to play with the prompt, but it is definitely a powerful one for creating a cool effect of your product. So that was a quick video showing how you can use the new Kittl mockup tool. It's not new actually, but it has been moved to the left bar. So if you enjoyed the quick tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.